Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to my channel, Sachin's Food Tour. As we have covered many islands in Phuket and Krabi, so it's now time to cover major attractions in this city. So we have booked a day tour, a city tour. So we are gonna cover major touristy attractions like the big Buddha Temple, and then they're taking us to a baby elephant spot somewhere, and then we are going to visit two factories, maybe a honey factory or a cashew nut factory. We're going to have a stop for a coffee and for some shopping at souvenir shops. That's what is mentioned in my itinerary. So we started our day tour from Patong Beach. This is one of the popular beach in Phuket. So from there we went to Karon viewpoint, from where you can view three beach points, Katanoi, Kataye and Karon beach. So this is a famous spot for elephant trekking.
Right. So our program just now we stop at the viewpoint, and then now we come for elephant camp. Yeah, so our program we do have the elephant here. And then some of us we do have riding, some elephant riding. So you go first, step on the back and then sit.
Guys, हम लोग कर रहे हैं अभी एलिफेंट ट्रैकिंग. अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस है ये. डेफिनेटली डू इट इन थाईलैंड. Then we went to visit a big Buddha statue. It is one of the important landmark in Phuket. So the statue can be seen from anywhere in Phuket town. This big Buddha statue is around 45 meter tall, and it can be seen far away as Phuket town and Karon beach. And the view that you get from the top of the statue area, you can get the 360-degree view of the Phuket town, and the atmosphere was very peaceful. Then we went to Chalong Temple. It's one of the important Buddhist temple in Phuket. So the architecture and the wall painting inside the temple was quite beautiful. Then we went to Cashewnut Factory where they explained us the complete process.
So the first we get the nut now actually dry by sun. You have 3 days of practice for dry, and then after that the nuts have been boiling 4 hours boiling, and then after that it will be the process of breaking the nut. One by one, it's my piece the stuff breaking, all done by hand. All done by hands.
Then we went to Honey Factory where they explained us different types of honey and the health benefits. So this is old Phuket town where you can see a Portuguese style architecture. Phuket is famous for its nightlife, and if you want to experience the real nightlife in Phuket, you must visit Bangla Walking Street. Hope you liked my video. We had an amazing day tour in Phuket. We saw many places. We went to Big Buddha, we went to Buddha Temple. The best part was the elephant trekking. We visited 2 factories, Cashewnut Factory and the Honey Factory. Amazing day. Hope you watched till end. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and please press the bell icon so that you can get all the latest updates for my videos. Till then, enjoy life and stay safe. Bye.